Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to RJ's 1 million subs extravaganza, can't even say it, where you will witness flying beasts and unbelievable acts of courage. So let's start. Eh? Only a dog? No, seriously, guys. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I just never ever would have expected 1 million subs, and it's all because of you guys. Young, old, from the beginning, new, to everybody, truly thank you. And if I can say it in all the languages that watch my videos, I would. So in just one universal language, for the last time, I say thank you. Now, if somebody like me, a man on his motorcycle, can do it, all of you can do it, if you really wanted to. But the trick is, in my opinion, is to stay true to yourself. And I think I stayed true to myself right from the beginning. I just wanted to show the love I have for riding motorcycles. Now, if you are obnoxious in real life, by all means, be obnoxious in your videos. If you are nice, be nice in your videos. Just stay true to yourself. Don't look and say, oh, that guy is obnoxious, he's doing well, I gotta be obnoxious. That will just come through and will show through. But at the same time, don't depend on YouTube for a living, because I just don't know how people do it. Because you are not in control. You don't have a contract with YouTube. You could be doing well today, tomorrow YouTube change something and screw you over. And you have no recourse, unlike real life. If you are in real life employment, you can't do anything about it. So that's all what I wanted to say. I didn't want to do a fanfare video and jump upside down and say, oh wow, I reached 1 million subs. No, it's not me. And then one thing which is stressing me out, I want to give you an update on the KTM supermoto that I'm doing. We are in November. It's been 4 months. We still don't see it. And the reason for that is the wheels. Now, when I went to the KTM center and we sat down and we spec'd it up, I saw Alpina wheels in the KTM power catalog, and I said, okay, to make things easier, let's go for these as opposed to ordering them from the factory. So we spec'd it all up. They ordered all the parts. I went there to do the video thinking that all the parts are there. I look at the wheels, and they're not Alpina wheels. They are the same wheels that they use for their adventure bikes. And I didn't like those, and they felt heavy. But then I thought, you know what, just for the sake of it, I don't want to create a fuss, let's go with it. And then I noticed there's only the front wheel. Where is the back wheel? Oh, it's on back order with KTM. Chase KTM, it's going to be a week, it's going to be 2 weeks, and then 2 weeks became a month. That's not acceptable from KTM at all. First of all, they changed the part, and then they can't even deliver the part. And I was furious. So before I went on my Ecuador tour, I told them, you know what, forget it. I don't want those wheels at all. I went onto the Alpina website. I spec'd the wheels, gave them to the dealer. The dealer ordered them. It was holiday for the factory, and then things got delayed, and now we are chasing them. They are saying it's going to be the next out of the factory. So it stressed me out. Not because I wanted the bike. It's because I did a video, and I then turned out to be almost like a liar in front of people, and that doesn't work. So that's the update on it. And I know you guys said, some of you said, a face reveal at 1 million subs. I thought long and hard about it, and here goes.